morning to all students, class 12, RS Inter College, Kanpur. Today, I am going to tell you about the central idea of the poem. The central idea of the poem is the Song of the Free, composed by Swami Vivekananda. As I told you yesterday also about this poetry, that it is full of Hindu philosophy, Hindu religion and Hindu belief, that God is the Supremo, He is Almighty, He is all powerful and controls over the world fully. Every happening happens according to His desire, and without His desire nothing can happen in this world, in this universe. So we should believe in God, we should worship in God. Soul, human soul is also a part of God. God is immortal, that's why soul is also immortal. So we should not worry about the future, about the death, about the troubles, about the tortures or calamities, misfortunes, because nothing can harm the soul. Ultimately, soul has to go to the heaven and it will mixed up with God. It will be the part of God. That's why we should not care about the soul. It may be that many troubles may come, but troubles give us new lessons to read. If we don't commit that mistakes again, if we do not repeat the blunders, so these mistakes also, these troubles also tell us how to reach the goal. When any snake is wounded, it hisses very loudly. When any lion is wounded, it roars so loudly that whole of the forest is vibrated. Whenever the cloud is cleft by falling the electricity, it rains. But before raining, it thunders so loudly that whole of the universe starts to shake and is vibrated very loudly. So in this way, if difficulties come in our life, in human life, they give more energy to man. The man can think better thoughts. The best thought comes when the soul is stirred. As whenever we burn fire, after some time fire decreases. But as soon as the fuel is stirred, the fire becomes more brighter and flames becomes higher and higher. So in this way, when your soul is also stirred, it is moved, it is tortured, the best thoughts come out. And so we can say that troubles give us inspiration to struggle against the difficulties. Troubles are the ladders for the success. We should remember it. That's why we should not be disappointed from the misfortunes. We should not be disappointed from the difficulties. We should not be disappointed by the famines given by nature, because the tortures, the shortcomings or the difficulties, hurdles in the life, when we are going to achieve the success, these hurdles come in our life, but we should not be deviated from the true path. At last we will reach to the goal. And the utmost goal of the man is to get God, to get salvation, to be free from birth and death. That's why we should not be strayed, go away from the path of the goal, from the path of the purpose. That is the central idea of the poem. And I am sending the central idea to you to note down through WhatsApp. You should write down the central idea in the fair copy, and I am also giving some questions, answers to write and learn, and these are prose lesson 3. Prose lesson 3. Question answers to learn and write. FIB lesson 1, 2, 3. You have to prepare only. That's all. Thank you very much.